I'm showing you how to add a GUI or make a GUI for your Gorilla Tag menu. First thing, make a class library in Visual Studio. If you don't know how to do that, just open Visual Studio, create, and then click on class library. Add Gorilla Tag dependencies. It's easy enough to figure out. Just add dependency, and then go to the Gorilla Tag folder, add stuff you need. Right, then just do simple thing like this, so add that. And this, right. Now, next thing you're gonna do to actually make it, you need a rect for the window. So do a public rect window rect. Right, close new rect. Do, and then this, do like, doesn't matter how big, you can change this, but you go. Now, before we do, we're gonna actually set up the page system. So for the page system, we're gonna do right. Now you've got that. You're gonna want to do and we're gonna do use a switch statement for optimization reasons, like this. So case, and then here do. I need to make this static. Okay, there you go. Now you have basic part you need to copy and paste this part for all of the ones you made. So do layer, if you made something else, call it whatever you named it. You can name whatever you want. Okay, now you have that done. You're gonna actually want to make the actual GUI itself. So do so make sure to do this if you want to make the window draggable. So from here, okay. So from here, just make a void called like. Make sure to add this part here. Add int I. You can name it wherever you want this thing, but make sure to add an int in the arguments, or it will not work. Okay, now you're gonna do like. Okay. Now do. Like this. Okay, you go. And then do. For testing. Just add a label. Okay. Now this is very simple. I'll show you how to actually add stuff. So just put it in your plugins and open Gorilla Tag. Okay, now you see you have a window now. Now, next thing you're gonna do, I actually want to make the window draggable. So at the bottom, like after you've done everything else, if you added more, then right at the bottom, you do layout. GUI.drag window. You don't need to put the window rect in, you can leave it blank. It means you can drag it anywhere. If you want to make it to where you can only drag it from the top part, you can figure out what part of the rect here. So this part here would be here. So you just put the part of this where you want it to be draggable. So like, you just put a rect in there. You put like, you get the point. You can figure it out if you just look at some documents on Unity. But yeah. Then just do this, and then if you open your game, again, Right. Right. So you should have a window. Now it can be dragged. You can see a button. Now, right now this does nothing, and it also looks kinda bad. So we're gonna actually make it look good. So first thing you're gonna do GUI dot background color equals color. You can do any color you want. I'm gonna do color dot black. You can do custom colors if you do equals new color and then the RGB value of whatever color you want, but we're just gonna do this for simplicity's sake. So now, if you want to make the buttons do stuff, let's just say for a normal button, remember a button, share the button, it will only call the method once. So, if you do, I'll give you an example. So if you do something like this, right. This will only say hello once. It won't say it over and over again. If you want to make a toggle, then here's how you do that. So do alright, make a bool like this, and then do test bool equals toggle, right? And here the argument for this is just the same bool, so put test bool, and then here. Okay, now here's the part we actually want to make this do stuff. So make an update void by doing. Okay, now if test bool okay, now if we rebuild this, put it in our plugins. Okay, now as you can see, GUI looks a bit better. Now, let's open log, click test. Now, if we click it a couple of times, see it says hello. If we check this box, it'll spam hello. So, it's the basics of how you make a GUI. If you want to actually add style to that, leave a comment if you want me to add if you want me to tell you how to add textures and actually add a button system. But this is how you make a basic on GUI. You can figure out how to add the mods in the if statements instead of doing debug.log. You'll just put your code through your mod. Yeah, so that's how you make